places like Shreveport, Louisiana. Looking at the areas under warnings here, many populations that are under the winter storm warning for this storm, as tomorrow morning temperatures will be dropping and a wintry mix of sleet, potentially freezing rain will be mixing in during the early morning hours tomorrow. Here's what it's going to look like as we play this out in time. Things are going to start as rain across much of central and eastern Texas, but as we head to the early morning hours, 4, potentially 5 a.m., notice those pink and purple colors that are starting to mix in around Austin and San Antonio. This is that wintry mix of sleet, potentially freezing rain, which could be, again, an accumulating glaze of ice on the surfaces on the roadways here and the bridges and overpasses in some of these areas. And it's going to be sticking around throughout the commuting hours tomorrow morning. 9, 10 o'clock, we're still looking at potentially 1/10 of an inch of ice, maybe even up to 1/4 of an inch across much of southern Texas. So again, definitely something to keep an eye out for. You maybe want to plan your travel towards work or any of these areas around this event because it's going to be sticking around throughout the day into the afternoon before it eventually moves out by tomorrow evening. As far as the snowfall totals are concerned, it's a broad 1 to 3 here across portions of the south. We could see as much as 2 to 3 inches across northern Louisiana, southern Arkansas. So again, some of these areas just depending on how things play out and how long that precipitation really sticks around, because we are going to have enough moisture to see that precipitation persisting